Welcome to part 8 of Clash of Engines series. Today we will add collectible hard parts. On the blueprint folder, right-click and select blueprint class. Search and add a paper sprite actor. Name it hard part. So our life point system works as the following. Every time the player collects 2 hard parts, he gains 1 additional life point. Also, each time a hard part is collected, the rest of the hard part in the game flip side. Open hard part blueprint and change its source sprite to 32. Change the view to front and the shading to unlit. Change mobility to movable. And add a box collision component. Click on the box component and adjust its Z scale to 1.5. Then change its collision preset to overlap all. Go to Event Graph tab and select and delete all events. Right-click on the box component and add on component begin overlap event. Cast to Maha blueprint. Open Maha blueprint and add a new integer variable and name it hard parts. Go back to hard part blueprint and use the cast to get a reference to the hard parts variable. Connect the get node to integer addition node. Add a set hard part node and connect the integer addition node to it. Connect Maha cast to the set hard parts node. Now create a new custom event and name it reverse scale. Add and connect a get all actor of class to it. Change the actor class to hard part. Add a for each loop to it. Connect get all actor of class out array bin to the for each loop array pin. Connect the other actor pin of the box overlap event to the cast object pin. Add the branch node. Create a new variable and name it reversed. Add a getReverse node and connect it to the branch condition bin. Add a setWordScale 3D node and connect it to the branch true bin. Change its XYZ value to 1. Connect the array element to the target pin of the setScale node. Add another setWordScale 3D node. Change its X to -1 and connect it to the branch false pin. Connect the array element to the target pin of the setScale node. Add a less than or equal node and change its second input to 1. Connect the output of the setHardPart to the first input of the less than or equal node. Add the branch node and connect the setHardPart's node to it. Add the setReverse node and connect the branch through output to it. Call reverseScale function and connect the setReverse node to it. Add a destroy actor and connect the reverseScale node to it. Add a reference to Maha Blueprint getLife node. Add an integer addition node and connect it to it. Add a reference to Maha Blueprint setLife node. Connect the integer addition node to it. Add a reference to Maha Blueprint setHardPart. And connect the setLife node to it. Copy setReverse, reverseScale, and destroy actor nodes. Check the second setReverse node. Connect the branch false output to setLife node. Click on the render component and from the detail tab change the following. Under physics, check simulate physics and expand constraints. Look all of them except the Z position. Scroll down to rendering and expand it. Now change the translucency sort priority to 8. Click on the box component and scroll down to collision. Make sure that the collision preset is overlap all. Save and go to level 1 tab. Click on the background from the viewport. Click the browse icon next to the source sprite to locate it in the browser. Double click to open it and under collision, change sprite collision domain to none. Save and close the tab. Drag and drop 3 hard parts into the viewport. So hard parts should flip each time one of them is collected, and a life point is added every time 2 parts is collected. Click play and test that. This is the end of this part. In the next part we will add collectible fruits. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you face any problem or have any topic you like us to cover, let us know in the comment section below. Link to the full version of the game and the assets used available in the description. Also click the bell icon to stay up to date, and for more game development joy, check our sister channel Game Maker in Arabic. Have a nice day.